Rising from the rugged hills of Korčula, Croatia, Diamond Villa is a geometric masterpiece that makes minimalism look effortless. This isn't just a home, it's a transparent sanctuary where walls of glass dissolve to marry chic interiors with the salt-tinged Adriatic breeze. The multi-level terrace features 2 infinity pools, perfect for those days when you simply can't choose which horizon to swim toward, designed for hosting gatherings that guests will recount for years. The lifestyle here peaks at the top-floor owner's retreat. Imagine surveying your coastal empire from a private terrace before sinking into a soak in the open-air spa bath. It's architectural bravado that manages to be both bold and invisible, blending so seamlessly into the Croatian coastline that the only downside is your current home will suddenly feel like a very expensive shed.